Yeah, I just want to talk a little bit about the lemon ginger blast. It's the lemon ginger blast is one of those kind of drinks that I've been drinking for 41 years every morning, and I drink 1 quart to 2 quarts every morning for 41 years. And so people have been asking me, over the years, like, what's some of my secrets to, feeling great and holding up, really well for, I mean, again, remember, I'm 62. This is July, and August 25th coming up, I'll be 63. And so people kind of wonder sometimes, like, what am I doing, right? So I'm just gonna say, yes, I am ridiculously in love with this life, and I appreciate every moment that I'm in, and I wake up happy and thankful, and I drink good water, and I eat live food, and all these different things. I do take powerful enzymes like Lysozyme with my meals, and I take Purezyme once a day just to kind of keep my system clean and all that. I love the Life Biotic before I go to bed, and I do a lot of wonderful things for myself, yes. And I have, I have an incredible, amazing family and friends and all that. But here's the thing. This drink, if I'm going to say one thing that you might incorporate outside of everything else I just said, is stretching your body and breathing and embracing the sun and all these wonderful things I've talked about. But if you're going to add this drink to your life, I'm telling you what, when I don't drink it, I can tell. I can definitely tell. But when I do drink it, sometimes I say, are you feeling happy, healthy, and silly? It's like that. It just makes you feel so happy and healthy and silly, and it's just like incredible. And so when you drink the lemon ginger blast, which has lemon, apple, ginger, habanero, cucumber, celery, parsley, cilantro, and mint, what does it do? Well, it oxygenates you. It alkalinizes you. It detoxifies you. It also neutralizes free radicals from damaging your cells. Anything that can get rid of the viruses and bacteria and parasites and all that and clean that out of your system, anything that can help oxygenate you and alkalinize your body, anything that can neutralize free radicals from damaging your cells, which causes aging. See, this drink is one of those drinks that does that.